has taught us? What COVID has taught us? Make things simple. Make things simple. We forget to talk to people. We forget to say to them what we had to say. And suddenly we wake up and we say, I didn't get a chance to say that to them. I didn't get to. So COVID has taught us, make things simple. Do it the same day. Do it the same day that you get the thought of doing it. Don't wait to say, okay, I'll do it another day. Okay, when I call them up on the Diwali day, that time I'll say it to them. Don't know. Unpredictable times. So let's do it every day. And when we do it every day, this mind is clean. If it's clean, vibrations are clean. Relationships, beautiful. Happiness is not something that we will have to create in the relationship. Happiness is who we are, and so we create beautiful relationships. So check, is there anything you need to release? Is there anyone you hold responsible for you not feeling good? Who created the hurt? Me. Who created the guilt? Me. Who created that resentment? Me. I need to clean it. How should I clean it? Because I need to have a thought to clean it also. Na? Bring that person on the screen of your mind. Bring them there. And just create a thought. I release today everything. Let's release it. You and me both. We release this today. Just bring them on your mind and say this. Please be rest assured your vibrations are reaching them. Vibrations are reaching them. Whatever you want to say to people, you don't have to wait to talk to them face to face. Just say it. Your vibrations are reaching them. And give them a message. Let's release it. It's like when we meet people, we say, na chal chhod na yaar, chhod dete hain piche ki baatein. We say that to people, na forget na what happened in the past. Let's get back to normal. Sometimes we can't say it over here. They might not listen, or our ego does not allow us to say it. But it's very easy to say it from here. Just send a message today. Both of us will release what we've held on to the past. Let's release, forgive and forget. It's over. It's over. I accept you completely. You don't need to change anything for me. Just be yourself. I accept you completely. Just say this in your mind and it's going to reach people. And most important, the first person it's going to cleanse is here. Yeah, it's just going to clean up a lot of clutter here. And this is very, very important right now. Every night before going to sleep, we should do this. Never ever carry any pain or hurt to sleep. Sometimes we all must have experienced that we can be very nice to people and yet they are not nice to us. How is that possible? We were perfect to them. We were nice to them. Why are they not nice to us? Because their thoughts are not dependent on my nice behavior. Similarly, my thoughts are not dependent on someone's not nice behavior. Stop being a victim and saying, I'm feeling like this because of. Someone is helpful to you or gives you something nice. Thank you bolo, uncle ko thank you bolo, auntie ko thank you bolo. Yes. Hame spirituality kya sikhati hai? When someone does not do nice things to you, when someone wrongs you, to thank you bolo. But thank you yahan se nahi bolte. Thank you yahan se bolte hain. Thank you. Now, simple lifestyle habits. Very simple. So simple that even a child can start doing from today, which we can start doing from today, which will make emotional independence very, very easy, which means inner power strong, very, very easy. First habit is the first thing in the morning. Lockdown time is a good time to set our habits right. Habits of sleeping, habits of waking up, because all this affects our emotional health. So simple lifestyle habits, let's write them down quickly. Very simple, and we'll all start doing them. First thing that we need to start doing is to get our sleep pattern right. Sleep pattern right. And lockdown is the best time to get the sleep pattern right. We need to sleep early to wake up early. We all want to wake up early, but we don't want to sleep early. So wo to hoga nahi na fir. So that's why we don't need to set up the waking up time. The waking up time is not important at all. Not at all. Only thing important is the sleeping time. If we sleep right, we will automatically wake up. Actually, sleeping is a natural process and waking up is also a natural process. Aim to sleep by 9:30, 10. Best time to go to sleep. If we want to wake up at the best time, which is 4 and 5. Actually 4, but still 4, 4:30, 5. 4 o'clock is called as Brahma Muhurat. It's called as Amrit Vela. Amrit Vela. Vela means time and Amrit means we know what is Amrit. Amrit, highest vibration. Vela, time. So 4 o'clock is the highest vibrational time and we are sleeping at that time. So simple lifestyle habit, sleep at 10, naturally allow your body to wake up between 4 and 5. Now, what do I do before sleeping is very important also. 2 hours before sleeping, I need to disconnect from work. Your food should get digested and then you go to sleep. Simple equation. Similarly here, please do not put content just before you sleep because then that will be get digested during you sleep. So just do this. Sleep 2 hours before you sleep, food digested and information digested. So 2 hours before we sleep, we give up work communication. Now, last 15 minutes before you go to sleep is very, very crucial. 15 minutes before you go to sleep, reflect, settle your karmic accounts of the day. That means meditate and release everything from here. Connect to God, say what you have to say to people what you have to say, and release everything from here and let go. 10 minutes before you sleep, you should consume something very positive. बहुत जरूरी है, ये बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि last layer on the mind should be very, very powerful and positive. So any spiritual talk, any spiritual book, anything which has very high vibrational pure content, last 10-15 minutes here. So your blotting paper will get absorbed with powerful positive content, and 6-7 hours of sleep, that is what is going to get processed inside. We are what we eat. So not just nutrients, but vibrations. COVID got most of us to shifting to a vegetarian diet. But when COVID in the end of last year was getting better, or by January was getting better, some of us slipped back to our old non-vegetarian habits, thinking COVID is gone, now I can go back to my habits. Vegetarian diet is not for COVID. Vegetarian diet is for our vibrations. So let's experiment a sattvic diet. We're not going to eat food which has come from the pain and the death of another individual. That's not good karma. And that's definitely not good vibration for me. Definitely not good vibration. I have to finish my fear and anxiety. I cannot consume fear and anxiety from the food. So sattvic diet. Now then, eating without phones and TVs on. No phone and TV during the meal. And just before we eat, we take a pause of 5 seconds, say our gratitude, connect to the higher power, radiate those vibrations to the food and water, and then start eating with these simple lifestyle habits. तो आज से शुरू करते हैं. Before our every meal, before we go to sleep, first thing in the morning when we wake up, and release everything that we're holding onto the past and shift towards emotional independence. And that will become very simple when we learn meditation. So we will request Vikram and Vandana ji to connect with Sister Beena, and Sister Beena will delegate a sister who will conduct the course for us. And I think each one should make the most of it. I used to always say earlier also, I mean, it's so simple at the Brahma Kumari centers. The sisters will say, come any day, come anytime, and we are ready for you. And it doesn't cost. So I always used to say, nothing can be simpler than this. One, they don't charge. Second, they say, come any day, anytime. What can be simpler than this? So let's use this time and do this meditation and start practicing it now. We need it now because we need to heal the planet. There's a lot of pain and energy on the planet. We need to heal it, and meditation is the only way. So let's take a minute of silence before we finish. Just a minute of silence. Come again to the center of the forehead and visualize a tiny point of light. That's the energy center. I am divine, beautiful soul. Powerful soul. My every thought is pure, clean. It's a blessing for all. My every word is respectful. My every behavior is beneficial. I am a divine being. Irrespective of how people behave, my thoughts are my choice. And I think right for everyone, always. I release the past. It's a past, it's over. Past is past, full stop. It's over. I release, I let go. I'm the child of God, the ocean of love and powers. And God's power and blessings is a circle of protection around me. I radiate this purity and power to every person. I release the past and I cleanse any energy blockage that was there. I accept people as they are. I accept, and accept. Om Shanti and Om Shanti.
Beautiful way. Thank you so much, Shivani.
So much of positive energy. Thank you so much.